The festival of Ganesh Chaturthi is being celebrated to mark the birth of Lord Ganesha. And our correspondent Disha Shah tells us more about the festive atmosphere at a Ganesh Pandal in Mumbai. Take a look.
The much loved and celebrated festival Ganesh Chaturthi is here, and we are standing in the richest Ganesha Pandal in the entire country, the GSB Seva Mandal. And as you can see, it's a beautiful idol decorated with 66 plus kilograms of gold ornaments, 375 plus kilograms of silver and the other precious items, which are usually donated by the devotees and the Sevadars that you call. And the donations continue every single hour, making it the richest Ganesha idol in Mumbai. And as you can see, this entire pandal is beautifully decorated with lights, and most of all the devotees have come in huge numbers. Since early morning today, from 3 a.m. the devotees have started lining up to catch the glimpse of one of their favorite Ganesha idol over here, the GSB Seva Mandal. And as you can see, the crowd has come not only from Mumbai but from across the state of Maharashtra and even from across the globe. This is the pandal which celebrates the festival for 5 days a week, and that is why the footfall is at least more than 50,000 people a day, making this one of the biggest pandals that you can talk about in the entire country. And this is also one of the pandal where the ritual goes round the clock, that is 24/7, according to the Rig Veda and our tradition. In fact, this is the Seva Mandal which is celebrating its 70th annual Ganesh Utsav this year. And another unique aspect of this pandal is how the devotees contribute and donate on a huge basis. This is one pratha, the custom, the tradition over here, where the devotees want to donate the ornaments, or silver, gold or any other precious item there on the one side, and then the person is being seated on the next side and it is being weighed, like how you can see. So all of this is something which makes this pandal even more precious, even more beautiful in nature. And this is something which is celebrated for 5 days a week. And this is a sort of a mood not only here in this pandal but across the city, across the state of Maharashtra. This festival is celebrated in a much loved way. With video journalist Siddesh, this is Disha Shah reporting here for WION World is One from Mumbai.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.